Hi guys, I am currently on a job site and are working outside today. We are going to be replacing a porch or a deck. Um, so I'm around here and we will have to replace all of the stairs. Oh, sorry. And yeah, Dave's already talking shit. And yeah, so I hope everybody's having a good Monday morning. And it's gorgeous here where I am. I'm actually in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin today. But anyways, I thought I'd jump in here and say hi. Hi. And I hope everybody has a good Monday. And staying positive. Bye.